now introduce you to our comedian, one of a kind, Terrance Miller. Woo! How we doing? How is everybody? So y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
White people. Like, get out. I'm playing. How y'all doing? How you doing, man? You all right? You all right? How you doing, man? You all right? How you doing, sir? You all right? Is there any married people home? Married people? Make some noise, married? Single flight. Is this a single flight? Can anyone ask why am I on I'm on a jail phone? Are we all right? Can y'all hear me? Y'all can hear me on the jail? I'm from South Carolina. Anybody from South Carolina? South Carolina? What part? Charleston. I'm from Rock Hill. You know where that is? Okay. All right. What about you? Oh, Chicago. Okay. All right. What about you? Everybody's from Chicago? Everybody from Chicago? Alright, we're gonna try this again, alright? Chicago, make some noise. Okay, Carolina, make some noise. Woo! That was a good decision for the people in the Carolinas. Keep it quiet. I want to say that everybody here, I want everybody to, now can they hear me better now? Okay, because it sounds like I keep going in and out. Like I'm losing connection or something. I want to make sure I got the best connection. Can they hear me now still? I want to say that there is no such thing as racism. We're all the same. White people, y'all black too. Black people, we white too. So we should love each other. We should speak. Everybody should say hey. Everybody should have a good time. All right? Because just think about it. When we die, we go to the same place. Okay? I'm still gonna see it. Okay? We might not like each other now, but listen, I just think we one big family. I think black people, just the outside family, that you know, just the bad kids of the family. White people, y'all the kids that went to college and know what you're supposed to do. The Mexicans, y'all work a little harder than we do. The Asians, y'all play Baccarat a little more than we do. Nobody got the Baccarat joke? Nobody like my Asian joke? Nobody like the Asian joke. Y'all don't like how I pull Baccarat up? Man, this is gonna be a tough. How long do I got? Do I get a whole hour? I keep my special up here. I'm just opening up. I got it. Alright, anybody want to hear? Anybody got a special joke they want to request? Because I can't give y'all my raw material unless y'all follow me on Instagram. Anybody got anything they want to hear?
Do the aristocrats.
Anybody? Got a choice? Any type of material or anything they want to hear? I don't want these kids on here. Any kids on here? Okay. So they just took away one joke. Where the kids at? Kids, make some noise. Kids. Woo! Kids. Y'all got them sleep? Y'all done put the kids to sleep on the plane too? No kids make noise? You know when I say make some noise, you know you can make noise for real, right? It's like a comedy show, so we trying to get y'all the energy going. Y'all tired of sleeping or something? I like that smile, white man. I like that. Keep smiling like that. Keep that smile going. I'm trying to think of like the most darkest joke I can give. Clean. So you can remember me. You ready? I'm actually, this guy right here, I honestly met him at the back of the plane. I told him who I was. I did not think that he was going to stand on the plane. He was kind of real. I don't like lying. I've been parked beside that guy the entire flight. I've been parked the entire time. And I'm really, when he told me to get up, I've actually got gas now. So there you Pepto-Bismol or anything that can be offered to me at the store. at this moment. All right, at this moment, we're getting a little bumpy in the air. Anybody got your seatbelt light is on? Can you please put your seatbelts on? Everybody got their seatbelts on? Thank you so much. I'm Terrance Miller. Yeah, so if you do smell a little gas, it was me. I was nervous the entire flight. On my third time flying. Thank y'all so much. I'm Terrance. Thank y'all. Y'all were great. Thank y'all.
Woohoo!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it was a little tough for him. You guys are a tough crowd. That was rougher than Apollo. But he had to keep it clean. It's a family airline. But here at Southwest Airlines, we do crazy stuff and fun stuff. And believe it or not, you just got a live show from Mr. Terrance Miller himself. Give him another round of applause.
Look at all these beautiful people.